The chicken 65 you know and love is cooked and then layered with rice, biryani style. Hi guys, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. I have a super exciting recipe for you today. You know how you all love my chicken 65 videos and my chicken 65 recipes? Well, today we're going to be making a chicken 65 biryani. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to be taking the very popular chicken 65 and I'm just going to tweak the recipe a little bit so it's perfect for a biryani. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. The first thing I'm going to do is soak 2 cups of Basmati rice in water, and I'm going to leave this for about 30 minutes. Now for the chicken 65 part. I have 2 pounds of boneless chicken cubes. This is roughly 907 grams. I'm going to be using thigh meat as it's really succulent. I'm going to marinate this with 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, I'm going to add salt to taste, two tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm going to crack in 1 egg. Mix this well together so the egg, the spices and the cornstarch sticks to the chicken. I have my oil that has been heating up and I have 1.5 cups of curry leaves here. Before I get the chicken into the oil, I'm going to make use of the hot oil. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of the curry leaves into the hot oil just so I can use this as a garnish later. When the curry leaves are nice and crisp, I'm going to pull them out and I'm going to lay them on some kitchen towel to drain. Next, I'm going to take advantage of this oil. I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of sliced onions. I'm going to fry these onions till they're nice and golden brown, and then I'm going to remove them, and I'm also going to drain it on some kitchen towel as we are going to use both of these as a garnish later. I'm going to reserve 1/2 cup of the oil for the biryani as the oil has the flavor of the onion and it's going to be really delicious. Now I'm going to slowly insert the pieces of chicken into the hot oil and I'm going to cook these till they are nice and golden brown. This should take a few minutes per batch. You want that exterior nice and crispy so it can hold on to the masala later. I'm going to fry these in batches and then keep them aside. Now for the masala base. If you've watched my original chicken 65 video, you will notice that I'm doubling the ingredients here. I'm going to add the reserved oil into the wok or the kadai, and once it's nice and hot, I'm going to add 2 cups of finely diced onions. also going to add 2 tablespoons of green chilies that I sliced horizontally. I'm going to mix this in. And next, I'm going to add in the remaining 1 cup of curry leaves. Saute these curry leaves, and then I'm going to add some powder spices. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper. I'm also going to add 4 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and I'm going to saute this really well just to remove that raw ginger and garlic flavor. Next, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of chili paste or sambal olik. This is my special ingredient that goes into the chicken 65 that makes it super delicious. Add salt to taste, and to give it that telltale chicken 65 red color, I'm going to be adding a little bit of food coloring. This is totally optional, but I'm going to add a 1/8 teaspoon of food coloring, and I'm going to dissolve it in a tablespoon or so of water. I'm going to add most of this in, and I'm going to reserve a little bit of the food coloring for the topping. As I mentioned earlier, I made a double batch of the masala, so I'm going to remove half of this and keep it aside. Now I'm going to add all of the cooked chicken in, and I'm going to toss it well to coat. Allow the chicken to sit in the masala for a few minutes or so till it dries up. Add a bit more oil at this stage if you need to. This looks really nice now. I'm just going to remove all of the chicken and keep it aside. Now I'm going to add all of the reserved masala back into the wok or kadai, and I'm going to add 1 cup of blanched and pureed tomatoes. The original chicken 65 recipe does not have tomato added to it, but I'm trying to make a gravy that can help steam the rice that is typical in a biryani. I'm going to add salt to taste. I'm going to add half a cup of water as well, just to loosen this up. Now for the rice. This has already been drained and rinsed a few times. I have 4 cups of water here, and while it comes to the boil, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and salt to taste. I'm now going to add in all of the rice into the pot. Cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes till the rice is about 3/4 of the way done. Once it's done, remove it and drain. Now for the final assembly. In the pot, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee, and I'm going to allow this to melt. I'm going to save about a tablespoon of this melted ghee for later. Next, I'm going to add in all of the liquid gravy. I'm going to add 3/4 of the rice over the top as a layer. Now add all of the chicken. By layering the biryani this way, it helps the chicken pieces not get too soggy. Drizzle in the remaining ghee and layer the remaining rice. I saved some of that food coloring, and I'm going to add some to the top layer. I also have some boiled eggs that I cut in half, and I will use it as a garnish. Finally, I'm going to add the fried curry leaves and the onion. Cover the pot with some foil so it keeps the steam in, and cover it with the lid. This will go into my 350-degree oven, and it's going to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. And after that, it's ready to eat. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. It's a new favorite in my household. If you love it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and leave me a comment below. I really love hearing from you. Also follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.